Hello, your market attendance. Okay, then now start the second topic of the environment concern industrial organization. And the previous class discussed what is about the industrial industrialization and urbanization. Okay, denote the what is the concept of urbanization. Okay, okay. The what is the concept of urbanization? Anyone can define? This is a concept. This is a concentration of labor. The concept of urbanization, the concentration of labor into factories has brought about the rise of large town to serve and house the factory workers. The general increase in the population is an industrialization of the settlement. Okay, this is the urbanization is the way that population shift from rural to urban area. This is the called urbanization. This is the concept. First concept is the population shift from rural to urban area. Okay, this is the gradually increase in the population of people live in urban areas and the way in which each society adapts to the change. That it is the this urbanization of India is divided in two parts. This is symbol is the movement of people from rural to urban areas converted. The urbanization of India is the converted in two parts. Okay, the first one is the basic problems of urbanization, and the second one is the effect of urbanization on society. Okay, this is depend on the two factors. Okay, this is the first basic problems of urbanization, and the second problem is the effects of the urbanization on society. This is the urbanization of India. The first problem, first is the basic problems of urbanization. Okay, this is the loop side urbanization, faulty urban planning. This is divided into four parts. The basic problem for urbanization is divided into four parts. Lopsided urbanization, faulty urban planning, inadequate housing facilities, okay, and the environmental degradation. Okay, the first one is the basic problems of urbanization, and the second one is the effects of urbanization on society. Okay, this is the dividing in the six parts: environmental problems, regional inequality, slum and problem of conflict, traffic snarls, garbage and sewerage problems, and obstructed water supply. Okay, this is the effect of the urbanization on society. Okay, so this is the concept of urbanization. It symbolizes the movement of people from rural to urban area. There's some people move from rural to the village to the towns, cities. What is the effect of urbanization? So what is the adverse effect of urbanization? This is the features. First, in the effect of urbanization, so there is increasing competitive facility due to the high standard of. This is increasing competition for facilities due to a high standard of living in urban areas, which has staggered several negative effects. Okay, this is comes under the concept of urbanization. What is the effect? What is the benefit? What is the source of urbanization? What is the health risk in third world cities? Okay, explanation of third world cities, social problem. What is in the concept of urbanization under the social problems? Which are the problems in socially? Okay, then now, okay, so what is the effects? So this is the first slum and consequence of overcrowding, lack of sanitation, okay, poverty, literacy, unemployment, and crime is the worst impact of urbanization. This is the very big problems. Global warming, air pollution, water scarcity, and pollution and losses of forest cover, agriculture land, depletion of wildlife as a result. Urban sprawl pose seriously threats the environment. Okay, what is the source of the urbanization? What is the source? The urban system of a country grows mainly by the natural population increase birth deaths. The first urban system go mainly by the first point is the natural population increase means births and deaths. Migration from rural area, especially in countries with large rural populations. Okay, and the third one is the immigration from other countries, especially in the European North America. Okay, this is the source of urbanization. What is the benefit economical structure of the city? A smart, sustainable city comes under the urbanization. Means the digital solution, smart community technology, green solution for eco community technology, social solution or leadership community technology, sustainable community integrated technology. Okay, this is social ICT, smart healthcare. Okay, so this is the Then features of urbanization. What is the features? The features comes under health risk, okay, urban revolution, social problems. This urban sprawl increase in the peripheral area of cities. The city and its infrastructure may not be adequately planned. Traffic is high with increased time needed for the commuting. Essential services are not reachable within time, and the city administration becomes extremely difficult. Okay, the traffic is high with increased time needed for the commuting. Essential services are not reachable with time, and city administration becomes extremely difficult. Okay, this is the features of urbanization. Okay, what is the positive effects of urbanization? What is the positive effect and causes of urbanization? Impact on business from the urbanization. The positive effect of urbanization is the employment opportunities, technological and infrastructure advancement, improved transportation and communication, better education, medical facilities, improved standard of living. So this is the positive effects of urbanization. Okay, this is what is the cause? What is the cause of urbanization? Is the industrial revolution. Okay, industrialization following the industrial revolution, emergency of the large manufacturing centers, job opportunities, availability of the easy transportation and migration. Migration. Okay, this is the causes of urbanization. Then now there's a causes of urbanization. You are already discussing the some points, but is the three main causes of urbanization: rural to urban migration. This is the concept of the migration point. Okay, the rural migration is happening on a large scale due to the population pressure and lack of resources in rural area. Okay, this is a push factor. The second, people living in rural areas are pulled to the cities. Okay, often they believe that the standard of living in urban areas will be much better than in rural area. They are usually wrong. People also hope for well-paid jobs. The greater opportunities is to find casual or informal work, better health care and education. And the natural increases caused by a decrease in death rates will birth rates remaining high. This is the percentage of urban area and rural area. In the defined in the indication in the graph, green color is the rural area and red color is urban area. Okay, the percentage urban area. Yes, 1950, 17.8%. Okay, but 2000 is red, 40.5% in 2000, and 2030 the 57.3. The graph indicates a shift population from rural area to Okay, this is the rate curve is 2000 in 2000 year 40.5% percentage of urban areas. Okay, and the 20 to 2030 is the 57.53 means the rural to urban. In showing the first year image, first figure of the key only 17.8% 1950. Okay, move in urban area. But only say then is 2000 40.5% and 30 is the 57.3. Effects of urbanization I discussed just. This urbanization brings with it several consequences. This is the both adverse and benefits. Okay, the impact on social and environmental areas. This is a causes and effect. Both are urbanization. This is the job opportunities, entertainment, transportation, housing, diversity, and market competition. And the second is the increased population, increased flooding, deforestation, and heat island. This is the causes and effect of urbanization. Trends innovation by region 2003. Okay, they showing the graph. Okay, with the world urban population 29%. Okay, they are showing the red color 1950, blue color 2000, and green color, yellow color is 2030 projected. Okay, the world urban population increased percentage in world 29% in 1950, 2047%, and projected is the 2030 is 61. However, Asia, Africa, all data is the given. This is the trend of the another region 2003. This is the graph urban population, rural population. Okay, as the dotted line is the rural population, and the urban population is the state line. Adverse effect of urbanization, I already discussed. The effect of urbanization, adverse effect, a range of economic, political, social, cultural, and environmental factors affect urbanization. Okay, urbanization is encouraged socially and culturally through the media. This is the effect of urbanization. This is the lack of housing and open areas of land, lack of safe and efficiency transportation, crime, urban heat, respiratory problem among human, fire hazards, loss of land for agriculture, loss of biodiversity, and in global warming, abnormal births. This is the effect of the urbanization. Okay, suppose environmental effect of the urbanization. Which type of effect on environmental? The environmental impact is the very big issues, but the day to day increase the wastage. Suppose in chemical waste, okay, solid waste. The waste are major problem in the large cities. The very big problem for the waste from the major problem in the large city. The air pollution result from over dependence on motorized transport and from burning of coal to supply energy. Okay, water pollution result from poor sewage facilities and disposal of industrial heavy metal into the waterway. Okay, vast quantities of solid waste are produced in the industries. Traffic consequence and noise pollution are major environmental impacts of the large cities. This is the environmental impact. This is a related issue of the pollution. Okay, the pollution, air pollution has a result from the emission of gases, fumes, waste, smoke into the atmosphere. This is the directly. And the over dependence on the moisture transport has also contributed to air pollution, large amount of exhaust fumes. Okay, this is the and the poor sanitation. Okay, the poor effect of poor sanitation, pollution growth, both the natural increase and immigration. Immigration is always ahead of the housing supply in urban area. Okay, rapid increase in the urbanity surplus government and town planners ability to provide adequate accommodation. Okay, and this the poor are forced the crowd into already a spirit slum or settlement as a temporary alternatives. Okay, so this is the effect of urbanization. This is the growth of slum urban areas that are heavily populated with the substandard housing and very poor living condition. There is a land insecurity. Slum are usually located on land which are not owned by the slum developers. They can be evicted at a time or by the land owners. Poor living condition, crowding and lack sanitation are many problems. This is a poor sanitation or discussed. This is the main problem is the sanitation. Lack of the crowding increase. The living conditions are very poor due to the lack of sanitation. So how to solve this problem? This is a housing problem or discussed. Inadequate quality, this is a housing problem. Okay, housing shortage, overcrowding, poor quality means slums, squatters, poor sanitation, pollution, social problems, and urban district. This is the effect. This is a poor living condition. Crowding is the increase due to lack of sanitation, the main problems. Outbreak of disease, utilities such as water, electricity, and sewage disposal are also scarce. Unemployment challenge the number of people competing for jobs is more than jobs available. Unemployment is an inevitable problem. Okay, the slum conditions make maintenance of law or order difficult. Patrolling of slums is not priority of law enforcing officer. Unemployment and poverty force people into anti-social activities. Slums become a breeding ground for criminal activities. Okay, so this is the problem. Environmental impact of urbanization. What is the environmental impact? Anyone define? Anyone can? What is the environmental effect? What is the environmental effects of urbanization? Suppose first temperature. Due to factors such as paving over formerly vegetated land, increasing number of residents and high-rise apartment and industries, temperature increased drastically. Drastically. Okay. Due to the numbers of, suppose your apartments, industries are day to day increased, high-rise apartment is constructed. Due to the temperature increased, day to day temperature increased. This is a very big problem with the environmental impact of urbanization. Okay, and the air pollution. Factories and automobiles are symbol of the urbanization due to harmful emission of gases and smoke from factory and vehicles. Air pollution occurs. Okay. Due to the environmental impact of urbanization, the directly impact on the human health. So how do the directly impact on the human health? Suppose first one is the higher or air pollution level associated with the urban heat inland can affect human health. Means the respiratory difficulties, heat cramps or exhibition, heat related morbidity. Okay, and then second one is the Center of Disease Control in estimated the form. Okay, and the mid-July heat wave in the Midwest causes more than 1,000 deaths. The second problem. And third issue is the Center of Disease Control estimate the form. Okay, excessive heat exposure contribution to more than 8,000. Okay, parameter death, premature death in the United States. Low income entirely proper who living in how row home are it the particular risk are the heat related health incidents. Okay, and then now is the figure exceeded the number of mortality results from the humongous lighting, tremendous floods and earthquake concern. So this is the effect. This is the problems, impact of urbanization in on environment. The which type of problem issues. The first is the urban sprawl. Problem urban population, urban crime, trash disposal, sewage problem, water air noise pollution, transportation, slum squatter settlement, jobless, housing and overcrowding. So this is the environmental impact of the urbanization. The day-to-day suppose impact of urbanization on environment. So how to the impact? The first you are in the cities, suppose rural to some person, people move to rural to urban areas. The increase the in the urban areas the overcrowding. Overcrowding is the increase the population increase in the cities. The first problem was sanitation. The big issue the sanitation. The due to the sanitation issue, lack of sanitation issues is the increase. So then which type of problem issues? Many types of disease increase in the atmosphere. Okay, is not control the sewage system. This is the overcrowding. Then problem in urban populations, how to control the this type of population. Suppose residential problem. Okay, urban crime.
Suppose day-to-day person increase in the urban areas. This is not any not jobless, job not provided, job not provided properly. Then this the crime, urban crime is the increased. लोग क्या करेंगे, एक दूसरे को मारेंगे. The crime is the increase. There are trash disposal, sewerage problems. Sewerage problem is a very big problem. The sanitation is the lack of sanitation due to the problem. Sewerage is increased. Then water and noise pollution. 3 air pollution increased. The air pollution that increased. Okay, noise pollution increased, water pollution increased. Okay, due to the increase the population. Then water issues, destruction of habitats, the transportation issues, slum squatter settlement, jobless, you many people are jobless, housing. Okay, the water issues when urbanization take place, water cycle change in a city have more precipitation than surrounding area. Due to dumping of sewage from factories in water bodies, water pollution occurs which can lead to outbreak of epidemic. Destruction of habitats to make us an area urbanized, a lot of forested areas destroyed. Usually this area would have been habitats to many birds and animals. Benefits of urbanization. What is the benefits from the urbanization? Anyone? Anyone can define? क्या होगा benefits? कोई anyone can define the benefits, urbanization benefits? The urbanization based depend two factors, pros and cons. Concentration and pros. The better public transport, better overall infrastructure. Okay, more educational opportunities, increased property price of house owner. People can use their time more efficiency, more convention of the if you have kids. Connection to electricity grid in a saver system, better in internet connection, more efficiency in term of land use. People in cities usually more tolerant, better connection to healthcare facilities, better and opportunity to foster technology progress, urbanization attract tourists, multicultural attributes, easier to socialize, and lower employment rates. So this is a and the concentration the high level of air pollution. This is the problems. This is the benefits not. The benefits is that these are type of benefits. And this is the problems is the high level of air pollution. From the one side benefits and one side loss, the also loss. More particle pollution, noise pollution, light littering, cities may become quite crowded, traffic jams, high level of stress, increase in health issues, increasing rent for tenants, higher changes for homelessness, development of slums, spread of disease, waste management problems. Pets may not like the city life, lack of natural space. So this is the benefits of urbanization and the loss of the urbanization. Efficiency, city are extremely efficient and the less effort is the needed to supply basic amenities such as fresh water and electricity. Convenience, access to education, health, social service and cultural activities is readily available to people in cities than in the village. Life in cities is much more advanced sophisticated and comfortable compared to life in village. Concentration of resources, since major human settlements were established near natural resources from ancient time. Okay, a lot of resources are available in land around cities. A lot of facilities in exploit the resources to exist only in cities. The educational facilities, the school, college, and university are established in the city to develop human resources. This is a very big benefit from the urban areas. A variety of education course and field are available, offering a student a wide choice for their future careers. And social integration, people of many castes and religions live and work together in cities, which creates better understanding and the harmony and helps break down social and cultural barriers. Improvement in economy, high-tech industries earn valuable foreign exchange and lot of money for a country in the stock markets. This is the benefits of the urbanization. Result of urbanization is shown in the image. The 10% of runoff areas is the 25% shallow infiltration and the 25% deep infiltration. Okay, this is showing the image result of urbanization and 30% evaporation and 20% runoff. Okay, 21 shallow infiltration and the 21 but deep infiltration, 10 to 20% impervious surface. Okay, and then now this is the 35% evaporation, is the 30% runoff in that and deep 20% shallow infiltration and the 50% 15% deep infiltration. And from the 30 evaporation for the runoff from the industries, large infrastructure, the 10% is soil infiltration and the fiber deep infiltration. This is the 75 to 100% impervious surface. Okay, this is the result of the urbanization. Yes, thank you. Okay, this is the use industrial urbanization of what is the role of urbanization and the industrialization is the very what is the impact of the environmental from the urbanization and industrialization. Okay, this is the better and the result of urbanization result what is the lack of okay, and this is the very big issue the continuing education facilities social integration. Okay, and benefits and loss both are the impacted is due to the the environmental impacts of urbanization. Okay. Then now land and security is all adverse effect. Okay, this is the